Hey guys, my name is Eric from POS Nation in the tech support department, here today to show you how to replace the hard drive in your point of sale system. So, first thing we're going to do is get to the back side on the top here to this little lever on the back side, and if you have locked your hard drive before, you'll have to use this little red tool that comes with your point of sale system to unlock it. Otherwise, you can just push on the red arrow right here and pull out, take the hard drive out, and then put the new hard drive back in. Now, the key to this is being gentle and making sure you're not pushing too hard. It should fall right into place. If it doesn't, then you may need to make sure the screen's a little bit more straight like this. But once you do have it in place, you'll feel it click in. It'll be nice and flush with the top of the point of sale system. Again, Eric from POS Nation in the tech support department. Thanks, until next time.